This 2014 Primetime Tracer Executive 2750 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Primetime is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, microwave, refrigerator, awning, external shower, slideout, stovetop burner, air conditioning, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Primetime Tracer Executive 2750 RBS is 6,285 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.